If you're looking at buying a Ford F-150, there are specific years mechanics quietly warn about because they can bring expensive problems most buyers never expect. These trucks often look clean, powerful, and reliable at first glance. But underneath, some model years hide issues that only show up after ownership begins. And the worst part is, many of these problems don't appear during a quick test drive, making them especially dangerous for buyers who think they found a great deal. This isn't about hating the F-150, because it's one of the most respected trucks ever made, but knowing which years to avoid can save you thousands. Let's start with one of the most talked about problem areas, the 5.4 Triton engine, especially found in the 2004 to 2008 F-150 models. This engine had spark plug issues where they could break during removal, turning a simple maintenance job into a frustrating and expensive repair situation. On top of that, timing chain problems in these engines could develop over time, especially if maintenance wasn't perfect, leading to major internal damage if ignored too long. Now, to be fair, some owners never experience these issues, but mechanics consistently report these patterns enough to make those years worth extra caution before buying. Moving forward, early EcoBoost engines, especially around 2011 and 2012, introduced impressive power but also brought new complexities that not every owner was prepared for. Carbon buildup became a concern in some of these engines, affecting performance over time, especially for drivers who mostly did short trips or inconsistent maintenance schedules. Timing chain stretch was another issue reported, which could lead to engine noise, reduced efficiency, and eventually expensive repairs if not addressed early. Again, not every truck had these problems, but the frequency of these issues makes these early EcoBoost years something buyers should approach with attention and proper inspection. Then we get into more modern trucks where technology improved, but new types of problems started showing up, especially related to transmissions in certain production years. Some 2018 F-150 models equipped with a 10-speed transmission experienced rough shifting, hesitation, and unexpected behavior that frustrated many owners shortly after purchase. These issues didn't always appear immediately, which made them even more frustrating, because buyers often believed everything was fine until the problem started weeks later. Software updates helped in some cases, but not all trucks were fully resolved, which is why this specific period still raises concern among experienced mechanics today. But here's something important most people forget. The F-150 is still one of the best-selling trucks for a reason, and many of them are extremely reliable. There are F-150s out there with over 200,000 miles still running strong, proving that the right combination of year and maintenance makes all the difference. The key is not avoiding the truck entirely, but understanding which versions require more attention so you can make a smarter and safer buying decision. Buying used always comes with risks, but when you already know the common problem areas, you reduce the chances of unexpected repairs significantly. A pre-purchase inspection becomes even more important with these specific years, because many of the issues we mentioned can be identified before they turn into major problems. Listening for unusual engine noises, checking maintenance history, and scanning for transmission behavior can reveal signs that most buyers would completely overlook. This is where experience matters, because what looks like a great deal on the surface can quickly turn into one of the most expensive mistakes you'll make. And unfortunately, many buyers only realize this after the purchase, when repair costs start stacking up and the excitement of the new truck disappears quickly. That's why understanding these patterns before buying is one of the smartest moves you can make if you're considering an F-150. Because when you choose the right year, take care of maintenance, and stay informed, an F-150 can easily become one of the most dependable trucks you'll ever own. And that's the difference between buying a truck you enjoy for years or dealing with constant frustration and unexpected repair bills along the way. So before you buy, take a moment to understand these warning signs, because a little knowledge now can save you a lot of money later.